Ah, the smell of sizzling barbecue. Pure magic. There's something about meat hitting the flames that just feels primal. Fire, smoke, and perfectly grilled goodness. This is where the real magic begins. Now, while the fire does its thing, it's time to pretend we're professional chefs. Cue the fast chopping. Greens, check. Fingers, still intact. Double check. Ah, listen to that rhythm. Chop, chop, chop. It's almost like making music. A slightly chaotic, slightly dangerous kind of music. But hey, if the veggies are diced and my fingers are still attached, I'd call that a win. Ah, the joy of kneading dough. It's like a mini-arm workout. Push, fold, repeat. Feels therapeutic. Until it starts sticking to everything like a clingy ex. But hey, it's all part of the fun. Precision is key. Each roll must be just right. But let's be real, some of these might end up looking like tiny pillows, and others like abstract art. But they'll all taste amazing. Now for the real deal, a rich, flavourful stew. We season, we stir, we admire our work, and of course, a splash of wine for that extra depth. A little for the pot, maybe a little for the chef. Hey, no one's judging. Alright folks, the moment of truth, chopping onions. Who's crying? It's not me, it's the onions. Bell peppers join the party, adding colour, crunch, and just the right touch of sweetness. Oh yes, that glorious sizzle. This is the sound of happiness in the making. The aroma, absolutely mouth-watering. If only smell-o-vision were a thing. Wait. Double check. Phew, no unexpected trips to the ER today. Now, let's talk technique. Do we go for the classic chef chop, the slow and steady home cook slice, or the dramatic I've watched too many cooking shows speed chop? Either way, precision is key. Or at least trying not to send bells and onions flying across the kitchen. And just like that, the greens are prepped, looking all fresh and vibrant. The real question now is, do I clean as I go, or do I pretend the mess doesn't exist until the very end? Yeah, future me can deal with that. Alright, time to turn up the heat, literally. The pan is sizzling, the oil is shimmering, and in goes the beef. Cue dramatic sizzle. Ah, now that's the sound of pure flavour in the making. We're not just frying beef here, we're crafting a masterpiece. Condensed milk in beef. Trust the process, my friends. This is where the magic happens. Creamy, rich, and absolutely next level delicious. Browning each piece to perfection. Locking in all those delicious juices. Flip, stir, toss. Oh yeah, we're in the zone now. The smell, absolutely mouth-watering. The sound, like a delicious little applause from the pan itself. The key here? Patience. Let that meat develop a beautiful crust. It's all about that golden brown perfection. No rushing greatness. All right, we're almost there. A little stir, a little shake, maybe a quick taste test. Chef's privilege, of course. And just like that, we've got some beautifully fried beef, ready to take this dish to the next level. Let's keep cooking. Now we're talking. That intense blue flame means serious business. Precision cooking at its finest, because when fire meets food, greatness is born. A little balance is key. We can't live on barbecue and stew alone, or can we? Time to pick the freshest, juiciest fruits to add that final touch of freshness to our feast. But hey, as long as it's delicious, it's a win. And there it is, the masterpiece is complete. Plated to perfection, looking like it belongs in a 5-star restaurant, or at least a very enthusiastic home kitchen. Because at the end of the day, cooking isn't just about food. It's about joy, creativity, and maybe a little bit of chaos. Let's take one last look at that glorious barbecue, because honestly, we could watch meat sizzling over fire all day. And with that, it's time to dig in. If this made you hungry, smash that like button, share, subscribe, and let's keep the fire burning, both in the kitchen and in our love for good food.